I've been seeing a lot of Assurance America lately. They often pop up when people with tricky driving histories are looking for coverage. But is Assurance America really a solution, or is it a last resort insurer with compromises? Let's dig in. Assurance America is an auto insurance company that targets non-standard or high-risk drivers, people who often struggle to get coverage elsewhere. Think past infractions, SR22 requirements, or gaps in insurance history. Their big promise? To help drivers who are often turned away get legal coverage at rates that are as fair as possible under the circumstances. Here's how it works. You get a quote through an independent agent or online. They then offer one of several tiers of auto insurance depending on what your state requires and what you need. They cover the essentials, liability insurance, so you can meet state legal minimums, comprehensive and collision in many cases, and extras like medical payments or towing, depending on your state. If you need SR22 filing, they can do that. Their service area is limited. Only about 10 states offer their policies, but in those states, they aim to be a provider for people others might otherwise reject. Now the pros. First, accessibility. If your driving or credit history is less than perfect, Assurance America often gives you an option when many traditional insurers will decline. They are especially useful for getting legal minimum insurance so you can stay compliant. Second, simplicity. Their offerings are relatively basic, which means fewer confusing bells and whistles. If you just want to get insured, that can be a relief. Third, for what it is, the price can be reasonable compared to other high-risk insurers. Also, they donate a portion of their profits to local nonprofit causes, which some people appreciate. But the cons are important. Their coverage options are fairly limited. If you're looking for robust policies, ultra customization, or lots of optional add-ons, you might be disappointed. Their rates tend to be higher than standard insurance, not surprising given the risk class, and many customers report frustration with customer service, delays in claims, or communication issues. Also, because they are not rated by major financial strength agencies, it's harder to assess how well positioned they are in the long run. Their website doesn't always offer transparent info on discounts or all available coverage details, so a lot of learning comes through talking with agents. So who's Assurance America really for? If you're a high-risk driver, you've had infractions on your record, or you need SR22 to legally drive, this could be one of your few viable options. If you value getting insured quickly over having premium features, it may make sense. But if you have clean driving history, want lots of optional perks, or you care deeply about customer service and short claims turnaround, a standard insurer may serve you better. My verdict? Assurance America fills an important gap. It isn't perfect, but for many people who have been rejected elsewhere, it's a meaningful alternative. You're sacrificing some convenience and premium features, but you're getting legal coverage when many doors are closed. So what do you think? Would you go with Assurance America if you needed non-standard coverage, or pay more for a standard carrier? Drop your thoughts below. I read every comment. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.